Guys, it's literally 23:21 and we're eating and drinking. This is girl dinner. This is girl dinner. We didn't eat dinner. Like seriously. This is our dinner. Our girl dinner. I know I'm not even talking. I'm just showing off how good this is. Technically, I'm not showing off. I'm just showing off. And this was just apple. What type of yogurt again? Greek yogurt and milk.
Milk.
Yeah, milk. I do not know why am I mixing, but like it smells like there's bananas in here. It smells like there's bananas in here, but we didn't put bananas. And my cousin, she made it like super thick, super like foamy and stuff. But it's like good.
Plezier.
He's drinking Coke.
Bravo.
Okay, bye guys.
Ja, ik zeg nu af.